The Central Bank of the Netherlands is preparing to supervise the country's crypto sector. The bank has requested crypto exchanges and wallet providers to come forward and submit some information. Once the law takes effect, these operators will be required to register with the central bank to continue operations. Also read, crypto can boost Indian economy, how banning will hurt its central bank to supervise crypto firms. Netherlands Central Bank, de Nederlandsche Bank, DNN, announced Tuesday that it is preparing to start supervising crypto exchanges and custodian wallet providers, noting that these operators are expected to become subject to its supervision starting January 10, 2020. The bank detailed, in concrete terms, firms offering services for the exchange between cryptos and regular money, and crypto wallet providers must register with de Nederlandsche Bank. The DNN added that it will also assess the firm's board members, some shareholders, and other policymakers. Further, these companies must demonstrate that their processes are effectively designed to prevent money laundering and terrorist financing, and that board members and other policymakers adequately manage these processes. The bank emphasized, firms that do not register will no longer be allowed to provide crypto exchange services and wallets. These requirements stem from the 5th European Anti-Money Laundering Directive, AMLD. The bank explained, adding that it is required to supervise crypto businesses under this directive and its implementation into Dutch law, reiterating that the requirements must be implemented by January 10 next year. The bank clarified, the aim is for the amended act to enter into force on the date. This means that the requirements apply as of the date, and that parties must also register as of the date. The Dutch Central Bank has acknowledged the growth of the crypto sector, stating that new crypto applications keep appearing and the crypto ecosystem continues to evolve. However, it is also concerned with the risks it associates with crypto assets. The DNN and the Dutch Authority for the Financial Markets, AFMA, the independent market conduct authority that oversees the entire financial market sector, have warned the public several times about the risks associated with crypto. The bank noted that the rise of cryptos demands an adequate response from the supervisory authorities, emphasizing the necessity of a fitting and proportional regulatory framework. Together with the AFMA, the bank called for the regulation of the crypto sector in January, recommending the implementation of a licensing system for crypto exchanges and wallet providers. The proposal for a licensing system was included in the original bill submitted to Parliament but was later removed. Which providers are requested to come forward with Tuesday's announcement. The DNN has also requested some information from crypto business operators by Sept. 23. Notifications are requested from anyone offering services for the exchange of virtual and fiat currencies in or from the Netherlands in a professional capacity or on a commercial basis, and anyone offering custodian wallets in or from the Netherlands in a professional capacity or on a commercial basis, the bank described. The former includes exchanges, intermediaries, and providers of cryptocurrency automated teller machines. According to the legislative proposal, the person F. You can read full post on cryptophones. News link available in text below.